Yes, good day. Good morning. Yes, such a brand new week. Yeah, after all has happened. Yeah, I'm back. Yes, a lot has happened uh during the past 2 weeks. I think haven't been posting for the past week. Yeah, I haven't been posting for the past week, but all in all, I just want to look at the changes that we've been having in the market. So it's literally what I want to take you through. Yeah, previously, as were actually as the dollar index indicates, the dollar index shifted uh shifted from the that's the time actually I was hoping to buy off the dollar index. It was around here I was hoping to see that the dollar index continues to buy. Yes, it was somewhere there. It was somewhere here. But what I realized after a couple of geopolitical sentiments, the dollar index had to shift sentiment. So the dollar index having shifted sentiment because of the geopolitics. I remember we had tensions on Greenland. Trump forcefully wanting to take over Greenland. Yeah. Also, Trump wanting to forcefully impose tariffs on those European countries. Yes. Who were actually taking forward Greenland. And then he declined. He said it's no longer gonna impose more tariffs again on exchange statements. Then again, a lot of geopolitics came in. Again, another geopolitics. When he was asked about the weakening of the dollar, he said he has nothing to say about the dollar, why the dollar is weakening. Another thing. So the dollar actually started shifting. It shifted, it started weakening. So this is when I had a shock. It weakened. It started now printing bearish breaks of structures. As you could see, all this was due to the geopolitics. You understand? So the dollar has come far to its lowest around 95.55559. This is the lowest the dollar has come. So for now, again, currently what we're having the chairman of a Federal Reserve actually is currently changed. Powell was fired, and the other one actually was given a job. So basically, it's what actually giving the dollar some strength. So currently, I'm waiting to see a shift of sentiment on the dollar. I'm waiting to see the dollar shifting from bearish to bullish because this is my current area of supply. So it's likely to be broken. So the market is likely to shift from the bearish mode to the bullish mode. So I'm waiting to get a clear shift in momentum. Then after a shift of momentum, I'll indicate this as my change of character, and I'll look at my current trading range where I'll be marking my discounted areas or PDRAs where I'm likely to start buying off the dollar. So currently, as we see, I'm waiting for the shift today or tomorrow, maybe Wednesday or Tuesday. I'll be marking my key areas of demand where I'll be looking to buy off the dollar. So the dollar is gaining strength currently. When we look at other currencies, currency pairs actually which have negative correlation with the dollar, you could see like GBP, also USD. We're still waiting also for the shift today. GBP, I'm waiting for the shift. This is just a chalk level. I haven't confirmed the chalk. Price is currently at the demand. So if this demand is likely to be broken, and I'm hoping once the demand gets broken, I'm hoping to see a choke being formed, and I'm hoping to highlight my level of my area of supply above, where I'm hoping to sell off the pound. We have a lot of imbalances below. You can see, yeah, if at all you go to a higher time frame like daily, you could see these are the imbalances that are depicted on 4-hour. Below, we have areas of demand, as you see, but as for me, I've marked my extreme demand. Yes, once it gives me a shift in sentiment, change of character, and I mark my key area for sales, I'll be hoping to sell off the pound. Last week, yeah, I lost something like, in total, on one account, I lost $450. I have 3 accounts. On the other small account, I lost $60, and the other one $60, $70. Altogether, I roughly lost something like $650. Yeah, in the market last week. Yes, I don't trade pro farms. I trade personal accounts. Yes. So, guys, you could see this is EURUSD. We still have the same setup, just like GBPUSD. I'm waiting for a shift in momentum, then marking my area, my key area of supply, then I'll wait for sales to happen. So this week we likely to sell off these pairs which are counter to the dollar index. So we saw further again, we saw ZAR. ZAR has been so strong for the past weeks, and we could see ZAR is becoming now weaker again because it's trying now to lose ground, which means the dollar has started becoming great again, strong again. So I'm looking at the daily area of supply when we come to ZAR to see if anything happens. Yeah, if the daily supply maybe happens to hold, then I'll be looking to continue buying off the ZAR. But if the daily supply, this is the refined 4-hour supply, if it holds, then I'll continue to sell off the ZAR. So I trade also gold. Gold, yo, it liquidated a lot of people. This was gold. Gold is shifted sentiment. If we go to daily, you could see that most of those days, the past week, gold has been really doing good because of the geopolitics. Yeah, the Trump related Greenland, the Chair Powell related situation to be of when it was changed. So gold actually, currently, I see gold is retesting this area of demand. This is the daily demand. And I'm hoping to see gold starting to buy off. But if, let me go to 4-hour, if this man gets taken out, but actually here we don't have any area of imbalances. The imbalance that we see is up here, And let me just shift my inducement. Yes. So basically, gold has shifted because on Friday we happened to see the chalk. After the chalk, and this is now the current area of supply that we have. This is the supply now we have. So this is my most recent area of supply. So I'm waiting to see if at all I can get any possible reaction. Yes, on this current area of supply. Yes. If I can happen to get possible reaction, which means I'll be eyeing for this demand to be taken out. If this supply now fails, then we shall continue to be buying off gold. You can continue to buy off gold, but gold is extremely bearish. Yes, so this is the current supply, which will give me an indication either to continue selling it or either to continue buying it in case it gets broken. So this is what I had for today. Have a blessed day.